Welcome to watch our installation video. We will show you how to install our shutters. Before start, we need to check the components and prepare a drill, cross screwdrivers, a level ruler, a tape measure and an adjustment rod. Next, let's start the installation. Take out the roller shutter box and the guide rails. Before installation, measure the length, width and depth of the opening. Confirm the dimensions are matched, so as to ensure the following steps smoothly. Next, use a level ruler to confirm the frames on both sides are vertical. After the confirmation, open the package. Connect the guide rail to the shutter box. And then, lift it obliquely to the opening, and both sides of the guide should be aligned. Tighten both sides of the guide in turn with screws. Measure the guides again and confirm they are correct. Align the guide covers on both sides and tap them tightly. Turn on the power and the blue, yellow, brown wires correspond to the fire line, zero line and ground line respectively. Open the shutter box. And adjust the top and bottom limit positions with the adjustment rod. Then close the shutter box. Use remote control to check if the roller shutter can operate properly. At the last, tear off the protective film. Thank you for watching.